As always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the fish tank. I am Cole, and today we are starting a small and kind of seasonal little segment here, and we're calling it Wheels and Steels Swap Meet Finds with Cuda Cole. And today is August 1st, 2021, and I went to a local swap meet of mine, and I picked up some cars. But today, I wanted to show these cars off and see what you guys think. So let's jump into it. So I went early this morning, and honestly, the show was kind of slow. It was kind of sad, to be honest, but we did still find some cool finds. So let's jump into it. I spent a total of $7 on all these cars, but these were at two different lots. So let's start with these first two. So the first one we picked up was this Matchbox Series number 54. What's that even say? MG 1100, and it was made in England by Lesney. And to be honest, I have not seen one of these before, but I bet you it's been done a couple times. It's just, it's different and quirky, and that's why I picked it up. Also, it looks like it needs a restoration bad. That glass is broke, but we'll have to deal with it. So that was the first car we picked up today. The second one is this Hot Wheels P928. It's a Porsche, and it was made in Hong Kong. This is a Hong Kong model. The only thing I don't like about it is the black glass, but this one could use a little work as well. A little beat up on the back there, but nothing wrong there. The next one I'm really excited about. It's this Hot Wheels Mattel 1977 Hong Kong drag car. Looks like it's a Pontiac. All the pieces are here, but the wheels are bent like they all are on these castings. So I completely apologize. My camera just died. And what I was talking about was this Pontiac dragster that I picked up. And like I was saying, the wheels are bent, but the paint and decals are kind of ripped off. But it's honestly not in the worst condition. And I'm not complaining too much about that. But it was a good steal for about $2. I paid a little more for that one. Alright, what's next? We have this really different Matchbox Mini, and it is a, if I could read it here, it's a number 14 Mini Haha made in England, 1976. It has the little guy in it, and it has the motor, but that's pretty cool. I got that in a big set of stuff, like with this stuff, so that's pretty cool. I thought that was pretty different, and gonna be a future build for sure. Next car that I thought was the most interesting one, and I didn't know Hot Wheels made, was this Pontiac Fiero, my bad. And this is the most interesting little thing I've ever seen. Like, I have a cheap one and I have a Hot Wheels one. I didn't even know Hot Wheels made this. So honestly, I found a lot of cool cars in here, but this is one of my favorites. I have a plan, if any of you seen the new Fast and Furious movie, on building this into that car. So I'm going to probably put Chuck to work and pay him good money to make me some 3D printed pieces for this car. But we'll see. Next car we're going to look at is this Hot Wheels Neat Streeter. All you guys have these, and a lot of people have restored them, but I've never owned one. My father has a really nice one in his personal collection, but I finally was able to pick one up to do a cool restoration on. So this one will definitely be in the books for the future. Next car we are going to look at that I picked up was this Hot Wheels Pontiac Matchbox 1979. This one was made in Macau, and it has the T-tops, There is a little damage here, but a little pressure and bending that straight won't even, that won't hurt it. But otherwise, it's a pretty cool little casting. I like it. Alright, what do we have here? So, I then picked up a 57 Chevy. This is another Matchbox. It's the one that the hood opens. This one I probably will restore. I do have 2 of them now, but I do have the other one, and if anyone's interested, I would be willing to part with this one for the right price, just so you know. So that's that car. Alright. I did end up finding another Dodge Challenger. If you guys remember, Matchbox Mark won my one. It was like my second or third video that I did this same car up in pink. It looked pretty cool, but I had the chance to redo it and make something cool again. So we'll see. The next one that we found here was another Matchbox. It was a number 8 Mercedes 350 SL. It was a Ledsney product, and it has the removable roof. And I've seen a lot of these, but I never got one because normally they wanted too much money for these. So I finally took my chance and ran. And the last 3 cars. So I did find another Matchbox Series number 56, a Fiat 1500. I do have 2 of these, and same goes that I said with the 57 Chevy. This one is up for grabs. If you guys are interested, just let me down in the comments, or contact me on Instagram or email me. All that information is down below as well. So that was a cool one. We did find a flat out 442. If you guys know me, I'm a big Plymouth guy and an Oldsmobile guy and a truck guy, and pretty anything old school I like. So I found this guy. I did restore one of these in my first coming projects, and not on YouTube, but on like the side before I started YouTube, and I finally got another one to build for myself and my own collection. So that's pretty cool. Lastly, I found this Matchbox Nissan 300Z Turbo. I have to say, I don't even think I've seen a lot of people own this one or have it, but if they do, I need to go watch the video because I have no idea what I can do with this cool foreign car. But guys, that was pretty much the haul that we have here today. I hope you guys enjoyed this new segment that I'm going to try. This will not be a regular thing because I don't really go to swap meets as much as I used to, but I plan on, before going back, to go to a couple more, and I apologize for my dogs if you can't hear them. They are freaking out about something, I don't know, but I plan on trying to go to another flea market or swap meet soon. So if you guys did enjoy this, please tell me down below. If you didn't enjoy it, please tell me down below, and guys, I'll see you in the next one.
This video is sponsored by Hobbytown. Hobbytown is an awesome hobby store where you can find all your hobbies, wants, and needs. They provide everything from your tools and supplies to an awesome variety of paints, from spray paints to paints for your airbrush. To find your local Hobbytown, you can go to www.hobbytown.com to use the store locator at the top center of the homepage to find the closest store near you. Again, the website to use is www.hobbytown.com. Remember, we make your free time awesome.
Also, guys, before I go, I wanted to say I did get my stickers back in stock. Sticker Meal down here did hook me up again. So if you guys are interested in the sticker, it is $2 for one and 3 for $5. Also, just so you know, it is free shipping to anywhere in the United States. So just let me know and contact me on my social media. Bye, guys.